Hello and welcome to eToll-Free's Cloud Phone tutorial. Now that we're familiar with what call forwarding, do not disturb and follow me, let's dive into how to set up each to your cloud phone system. This video will walk you through mainly about call forwarding setup. This feature allows you to redirect incoming phone calls to another destination, like another extension or an external number. This is particularly useful when you're out of office or during your off hours. To set it up, navigate to the Applications tab in your cloud phone system, then select Call Forwarding. Now, select the extension you want to set up your call forwarding. This brings you to the call forwarding page. Here, you'll find a few options. The Call Forward option is the most straightforward of them all. It simply forwards all incoming calls to the number you specify. The On Busy option automatically forwards incoming calls only when your line is busy. This ensures that calls are attended to even when you're on another call. No Answer is a feature that forwards calls when there is no answer on your end after a certain number of rings. This ensures that calls are not missed due to unavailability. Last but not least, Not Registered automatically forwards calls when your device is not registered to the network. This is excellent for those times when you're out of the office or experiencing technical issues. Each of these features is designed to provide you with flexibility and control over how your calls are handled, ensuring that no call goes unanswered. Remember, the key to effective communication is accessibility and responsiveness. With these call forwarding features, you'll be able to maintain a high level of both. And remember, our customer service team is always here to support you. Should you have any questions or need assistance, don't hesitate to click the bubble icon at the bottom right corner of the page. We're here for you whenever you need us. Thank you for tuning in, and we look forward to enhancing your experience with our services.